of people in front of me who have talents that extend beyond the walls of their business.
Welcome to the Hour of Power with Kerry Barrett, brought to you by Xerox.
The ways that we communicate, the ways that we influence, and the ways that we create impact, not just within the four walls of our business, but also in our personal lives as well. How to read between the lines and understand the nuances of connection, of impact, of influence, and of relatability. The fear of public speaking is a fear that most people have that surpasses even their fear of death. If you have that fear, rest assured you are absolutely not at all alone. Even the best speakers in the world have the butterflies when they get up on a stage. The mistakes don't change the trajectory of your career. What it changes is your strength. It changes your ability to handle challenge and obstacle